1, 2. Hello, welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel with another episode of Dicking Around in the Shed. Today we are dicking around in and out of the shed. But run that intro and we'll get into it. Okay, folks, welcome back to the Blue Bike Noise Channel. Watch YouTube PD13. Oh, hey, what y'all up to? I got some stickers. I don't know, that video has not aired yet, but maybe it will before this airs. I don't know. Anyway, hey, this is This is Harley Gurl from Canada. And she came down to visit the great state of Alabama, and we rode around with Ray Gregory Rides and Rusty the Bikers and his wife and Pop and his brother-in-law, sister-in-law would be her sister. Well, I guess both of them would be Rusty's brother and sister-in-law, right? Anyway, so if you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. We got Spider Girl. Harley Gurl, and I'm not saying Spider Girl. But anyway, you see her, she's from Canada. We'll put her right there. Look like the board's about to be full because she got another sticker. She rides a Heritage, Harley Davidson Heritage. Her husband's got a built 131 performance bagger, they staying down to March or April, I think. They head back to Canada. They headed towards Arizona now. Go check her videos out and see where she's at. So we gently peeled this one out. There you go. I got it. We'll stick it right beside her, right under DB Biker. The Bishop. You know who he is. So I like one more thing, and this box will be ready to ship out to Mr. G in Virginia, because you go into VAM, you get one of these awards maybe if you're lucky. Yeah. VAM's July the 10th, 11th, 12th. We'll go home on the 13th, but much of us will come in early. That's in Tazewell, Virginia, in July. VAM 25 anniversary year. Check it out. So what are we doing? I'll show you. We finished painting, and I put one coat on it so far. That's kind of it's satin bonds to plastic. It's called a Huron in white. Needs another coat. So. Get in all the nicks and cracks and all like that. So this is the Die Hard award. Yep, it says Die Hard on it. See it? Die Hard. And that means, well, wind was blowing the other way a while ago, now it's blowing back this way. If you go in there, you've been to all 5 VAMs. That's VAM 21, 22, 23, 24, and this year, or next year. 25. So you've been to all of them. That means you're a die-hard VAM goer. You're a VAM die-hard. We appreciate them all. I can't even say I'm a die-hard because I missed one year. Dang it. Oh, speaking of dang it, you get a dang it award if you mess up and do something, drop your bike, let it roll back into somebody else, or just forget what time it is. Dang it, I forgot. Or dang it, I lost my wife. I ran off and left her. But anyway, this is what we're working on. I'm starting to lay out, because you ain't gonna see all this. This is a skeleton, so I'm just gonna make a skeleton, which I realize I had a piece cut. Oh, this piece kind of goes right in here. It's gonna raise up a little bit more, and I'll make this part, this to be your bottom part. But I need to I think I'm gonna come up to right in here and mold this in. something like that. I don't know yet how I'm going to do that, but we'll figure that out when we get to it. And then we'll lay fiberglass over it and be one more step into finishing the POST. And I know a lot of people been be back on it, so we're getting back on it. Kinda. I'm just piddling. We're just dicking around today. But I got the door panel off, figured out how to do that. What's going to be fun is putting this piece back on because it gets glued. It's like plastic welded. And D for Doyle on there. D for door. Anyway, I'm painting that part. I got this part cut out, and we'll figure out how we're going to stick it back in there with the white on it. And that's my door handle and all the other trim. Make sure your door is unlocked. Lucky my other side was unlocked because I accidentally locked this door. And we'll get the head unit, some wire, and the speakers and amps hooked up, and still won't be about done on it. I need a battery for it. If anybody wants to donate a Optima, or just donate me some money so I can get me an Optima yellow top battery with 4 posts on it. That's heavy duty stuff. Well, I'm gonna get back to dicking around. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to dicking around because it looks like it's fixing to rain, so I'll probably need to pick up my tools. I ain't very motivated. Anyway, that's just an update on the updating sticker board. I'll be moving this one around, so I guess I'll move that one over there. Take that picture. Ooh, what are we gonna do? Oh, excuse me. Guess we might have to move the Biking Dead poster might be going. Oh, you ain't watching. So all I say it is, I might have to do some moving around, and well, I guess you just don't need to see Daryl's bottom half. I moved that over there. We'll figure it out. That's what I do. I figure stuff out. So if you would, go check out that video. To Mr. McStache. Mr. McStache. Hey, that's my knife. You know how I know it's my knife? Squirrel. What was I saying? Oh, my knife. Got my name on it. Yep. I'll just put that back over there. I forgot what I do with it. What I do with it is cut stuff. Mr. McStache is doing a 22 days, 22 state ride to raise money for the 22 S.T.R.I.V.E. or S.T.R.I.V.E. 22 is what he's calling it. Anyway, go check out Mr. McStache's channel for that video. I'll post that video right there. That's part how I can help him raise money, is just keep promoting his video. We're going to meet him in Birmingham, July the 9th, I think he said. And then the 10th and 11th will be in Beaufort, Georgia. Now, these dates might be wrong. The 12th will be in Greenville, South Carolina. And then the 13th will be, or maybe the 12th, will be in Knoxville, Tennessee. Tennessee, good old Rocky Talk, Tennessee. That video will be over here because I just realized I'm talking too much. And then he'll go on home and we'll come back home. So if y'all want to ride with us, go check out his channel, that video there, and watch everything. Go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and I'm out of time.